Today we're going to show you exactly how to transform your ordinary backyard into a charming farmhouse backyard retreat. Whether you have a small patio, a compact garden, or a spacious lawn, this guide is for you. Have you ever dreamed of stepping outside your back door and instantly feeling like you've escaped to a countryside retreat? A place where time slows down, birds sing in the distance, and the scent of lavender dances on the breeze. Stay with us to see the full transformation. So grab a cup of tea, take a seat, and let's take a common stroll through today's countryside-inspired backyard makeover. Segment 1. Embracing the farmhouse philosophy. Before we dive into furniture or accessories, let's talk about why farmhouse style works so well in outdoor retreats. At its core, farmhouse design is about comfort, practicality, and harmony with nature. It values the imperfect beauty of raw wood, vintage finishes, handcrafted items, and relaxed simplicity. Unlike trend-based decor, farmhouse design feels timeless. In a backyard, this means prioritizing natural materials. Think reclaimed wood benches, gravel paths, terracotta pots, and wrought iron lighting. It's about letting the space feel gently aged and lived in, rather than over-styled or artificial. So whether your outdoor area is new or decades old, farmhouse design welcomes every crack, knot, and rust mark. It's design that tells a story. Segment 2. Laying the foundation. Natural surfaces and structure. Every beautiful retreat starts from the ground up. In farmhouse outdoor design, the surfaces beneath your feet are just as important as the flowers around you. Swap out sterile concrete for pea gravel walkways, flagstone patios, or old brick. These rustic textures instantly evoke that countryside feeling. Framing the space with raised garden beds made of reclaimed wood or natural stone gives structure to your retreat, while blending seamlessly with nature. And don't forget about fences. A whitewashed picket fence, a simple split trail boundary, or even tall hedges can help define your sanctuary while adding to the rustic charm. Segment 3. Furniture with soul. Cozy, vintage, and purposeful. Furniture in a farmhouse backyard shouldn't feel overly polished. Look for items with character, distressed wood, iron frames, or handmade weaves. A large farmhouse-style dining table is perfect for weekend brunches or garden dinners. Pair it with mismatched wooden chairs or even vintage benches. If you love lounging outdoors, add a weathered rocking chair, a rattan armchair with linen cushions, or even a vintage porch swing hung under a wooden pergola. Farmhouse furniture feels honest and humble. It doesn't shout, it invites. Add layers with outdoor pillows and ticking stripes or faded florals, and you've got comfort that doesn't sacrifice style. Segment 4. Plant life that brings the countryside home. No farmhouse retreat is complete without thoughtfully curated greenery. But we're not talking about manicured hedges or tropical palms. Think simple, local, and wild-inspired. Plant lavender, rosemary, and thyme near sitting areas to infuse the air with soothing scents. Line garden borders with daisies, foxgloves, or hydrangeas. Climbing roses or wisteria draped over an arbor bring a romantic English cottage feel. And don't forget edibles. A few raised beds with lettuces, tomatoes, or strawberries bring that farmhouse grow your own spirit to life. Let it be a little wild, a little overgrown. That's the charm. Segment 5. Cozy details, lighting, decor, and personal touches. Now that the structure, furniture, and plants are set, it's time to add personality. Hang warm Edison bulb string lights overhead, or tuck solar lanterns along the path for soft evening glow. A vintage watering can, a pair of worn garden boots by the door, or a handmade quilt draped over a chair can serve as storytelling decor. Add a weathered crate for firewood, antique garden tools on display, or a distressed metal sign with a cozy phrase like "Gather here" or simple blessings. These small moments of imperfection and nostalgia are what give farmhouse spaces soul. And don't forget textiles, linen tablecloths, burlap runners, or even outdoor rugs in muted patterns can help pull the scene together beautifully. Segment 6. Creating year-round function and enjoyment. Your backyard retreat shouldn't only shine in spring. With the right planning, you can enjoy it in every season. For summer, create shade with a rustic pergola or canvas sail. In fall, add cozy layers with wool throws and bring out the fire pit for marshmallow nights. Winter? If you're in a mild climate, a covered patio and outdoor heater allow you to keep using the space. Hang dried herbs and use evergreen branches in your planters for a festive look. In spring, everything blooms again, and your retreat feels like a fresh escape all over again. The key is flexibility. Farmhouse style embraces adaptation and seasonal rhythms. Creating a farmhouse backyard retreat isn't about perfection. It's about intention and carving out a space that allows you to slow down, reconnect with nature, and savor life's quiet joys. With the right textures, natural materials, cozy elements, and personal touches, you can bring the peaceful rhythm of the countryside right into your own home. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode of Liviero Studio. We'd love to hear how you're creating your own backyard retreat. Share your ideas in the comments. Until next time, keep designing a life you love, one corner at a time.